Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another monthly favourites for the month of September. The theme of this month is yarn that I've bought just lately. So I have to be honest, this month there has been zero crochet time because I've been poorly, my little girl's been poorly, we've been on holiday. So I have so many ideas in my head right now and so much yarn to use, but I haven't done anything with it yet. So I'm going to show you what I've bought just lately today, and also update you on a few other things. And also don't forget to watch till the end where I'll share who won the giveaway for last month and the code for this month. So first of all, my love of Milla Mia continues. I purchased this a few weeks ago, and some of the things I remembered what I bought them for, other things I can't remember. I pretty much think that these colours here are to finish my star blanket that I started a very long time ago, and then also the darker grey ones I'm going to make myself and Ella a matching beanie. So yes, this is the Milla Mia. I've mentioned this a few times on these videos. This is the Naturally Soft Aran. I think that's all of it is the Naturally Soft Aran. So I'm going to go through and tell you all of the colours so that you can see what they look like, and I'll leave everything in the description box below. This one is Sky Blue. This one is Blush. This is Ivory. And this is Stone. This is Cloud Grey. So I also purchased the Cloud Grey in the Naturally Soft Merino because I think my original intention was to do this theme as merino yarns, but I'm just going to show you all of it. So this is the same colour but just in the merino. Also in the merino I picked up this colour here, and this is called Petal, and that is really pretty. Because I was going along the merino lines, I picked up the Rico Merino DK Extra Fine Superwash, and this is in the colour, I'm not sure the name of this colour, so I'll leave it in the description box below, but it's a really nice blush colour. My tasting colours is continuing in this video because all of these colours are like pinks and greys and things that very much match my decor. But this is really nice. It's got a really lovely texture to it, and it's also really nice to work with. Forgive me for the lighting, the sun is just blaring through. It's absolutely beautiful but really bad for filming. But I also picked up, and again matchy even matches my jumper look, I picked up this Debbie Bliss Piper yarn, which I really wanted to give it a go and see what it was like. Debbie Bliss has recently had a restructure with her company, and she's been picked up by Love Crochet, which is really good because I think she stopped trading for a while or something like that. But this looks beautiful. I really want to do a little bit of knitting soon. I know a lot of you have asked for knitting tutorials as well, so please let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a few of those. I'd like to just do some basic ones and then see how people like them. But yeah, I think this looks really beautiful. If you have any ideas of what I could do with this, let me know. But it's basically a blend of 50% cotton and 50% viscose. I think you say it like that. As we all know, I'm not very good with pronunciations. This is colour 14 or colour, oh, I'm not sure. I will again leave links in the description box below to these yarns and the colours, but these look beautiful. Let me know what you think I should do with them. I also picked up this yarn. Again, this is a Milla Mia, and this is Naturally Soft, super chunky. So beautiful. I went for the cream. I also went for this one, which is Heirloom, and it's super beautiful. I picked up 4 of these and 2 of these because I think what I was thinking was I'm going to do another moss blanket with these colours. The moss blanket pattern, which I've been talking about for ages, will be out soon. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But the very last thing that I've purchased just lately, and it's still in his bag, I'm not taking it out yet, but look at the size of that ball of yarn. So this is beautiful. This is from Coco Crochet and it's in the colour, oh dear me, I have forgotten again. I'll leave a link in the description box below with the details, but basically it came with a big old ball. I think this is the 3 kilogram ball, and also a humongous crochet hook. I went for the kit just in case I wanted to crochet it, but when it arrived I actually thought to myself, I'm going to do a hand crochet tutorial with that, because I know a lot of people want to create their own. So look out for that on my channel. That's going to be coming up in a couple of weeks. So while I remember, I'm going to talk about my website, which launches today as this video goes out, so I'll leave a link in the description box below. But if you want to head to bellacococrochet.com, you'll find a new website. It's got a brand new layout. Hopefully it's going to be easier for you to find projects and different things that you're looking for. There's going to be more content added to that all the time. So what is there now is just what I've been able to pop on there already, but I'm going to be adding more and more things on there so that there's everything all in one place. So you can go to a page, you can find written instructions for things if there is written instructions for them. You will find left-handed tutorial, right-handed tutorial, where you can find the yarn for them or what yarn it is. There is also a learn to crochet page on there if you're just starting out, and it walks you through step by step of what you might need to know. What else is there? There's the ability to use the drop down menu to filter your different projects by seasons or by categories like home decor, baby, garments, different things like that. So go and check it out. Let me know what you think. I really hope that you like it. Another exciting thing that's happened this month, and I've mentioned this in the past few months because I've been working with Your Crochet and Knitting magazine, and it's really exciting to see myself and Ella on the packaging this month. This one comes with the most beautiful colours. I think that this issue is my favourite issue out of all of them so far. I particularly really like this cushion. It is knitted, but it's so beautiful. And also as well, what I'm going to do with these magazines is I'm going to create a pack for them. So if you get the magazine and you make a project, you can go ahead and buy some similar yarn and create even more projects from the magazine if you wanted to do that, or just buy the colour pack because you like the colour pack and create your own projects. But super excited to see that. There is also a tutorial linked with that magazine as well, so just go and check that out. And also, as well as Your Crochet and Knitting magazine, if you've picked up Your Crochet Now magazine, you may have seen my little face in that top corner there. Crochet Now magazine also came with this gift guide with this cute guy on the front. How amazing is this? This is by Coco Crochet, the same company who I got my yarn from. The big giant ball of yarn. And then again, look on the back, that is quite a few pictures of me, and then also me with Ella. And I shall let you into a little secret. The day that this photo was taken, where I'm wearing a huge woolly jumper, was actually the hottest day of the year. So yes, I suffered for that photograph. So please make sure you go and pick up this magazine and have a look. There's some beautiful projects in there. So yeah, including like gloves. So really nice gift ideas, especially good for Christmas. So on to accounts that I've been loving this month. The first one is Just Pootling. There is a hat on there which looks absolutely gorgeous. I think it's a deer. I'm going to say deer, I'm pretty sure it's a deer, but it's the cutest thing, so go and check that out. And then the other account that I've been loving, and I have followed this account for a while actually, and she does some beautiful, beautiful work. But this is Chanel Coco Crochet. She just has a beautiful Instagram. The work that she does is just really nice. Like she's got a combination of pastels and then bright colours, and she also has a really awesome craft room, so make sure that you go and check out those accounts. Again, where has this sun gone? And then the winner of BCC Sept 18, which is a little giveaway each month that I do in order to say thank you to all of my subscribers and for using my tutorials and things like that. The winner is, and this is the best name, Sigoni Macaroni. I think I'm saying that right, but she has done an awesome, I think this was a past project, but it was a Halloween project and it was a troll. But just so amazing. I'll put the picture here, but basically she used the crocodile stitch and then you like made a little top, and then I don't know, just go and have a look at it. Pictures speak far louder than words, but congratulations to you. I'll be in touch on Instagram shortly, and if you want to enter for next month, all you have to do is tag your projects where you've used my tutorials with BCC Oct 18. I'll leave that here so that you can see it properly of what you need to put. But there we go, that is my September favourites. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. When I look at my statistics to see who is watching my videos, only 50% of people have actually subscribed to my channel who watch my videos. So please go ahead and subscribe. We are inching so close to 500,000 subscribers. It's crazy. And just imagine if all of those people that watch my tutorials actually subscribed, then we would have close to 1 million followers. So I don't know why I'm leaning over this way, by the way. I think I was pointing to what would be a picture just here. But anyway, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you again in my next video. Bye!